So hi friends, now we are going to see a small program on string concatenation. It is nothing but joining strings using plus. Okay, so plus is a string concatenation operator. Okay, so here in this program I have given first name is equal to Rose. Rose is a string because I have given that, yes, inside single quotes. And first name, so as already you know, with the variable name, if we have to use 2 to 3 words in a variable name, we can use that with the use of underscore. We can separate that different words in a single variable name using underscore. So that's why I have used first name and as well second name Mary. And with the full name variable, I have just concatenated the first name and second name using plus. So plus operator is a string concatenation operator. Fine. So now if I'm going to print full name, is I'm getting Rosemary. But you can see the thing is there is no space, right? So with the second time I have used the same thing, but with the plus I have used a space in between, like full name is equal to first name plus I have given a single space, then that is also concatenated with the second name following it. So now when I'm going to print the full name, I can get the output as Rosemary, and that is a space because we have included space here with the help of string concatenation, right? So as well, not only space, you can use any other operators or any other things. You can use as much as plus, and you can just make sure what all things you want inside that message. So it is pretty much useful, but be careful if you miss any of the plus or any quotes in between. Yes, you may get error. So yes, do try this. That's all for today, friends. So this is your Python partner. Join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.